Making your own courier plus taxi business application is now easy. Check out our latest application that we have created for our client from Costa Rica. You can see this is a complete taxi plus courier delivery app. If the driver is a delivery driver, he will choose delivery and he will log in. If he is a taxi driver, he will choose taxi and he will log in. So now a driver will choose his country, he will enter the number and he will get a OTP on his number. And now he can easily enter the OTP. And yeah, that's how a driver can easily log in our ready to launch courier plus taxi booking in one application. If you are looking for a complete ready to launch application, you can directly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on the screen, or you can also visit raunix.com. So our team can help you and make your own application. This is a complete ready to launch Android plus iOS combo. You will get a user app, driver app, admin panel and 1 year free technical support. And that is how a driver can see live location. He can click on this map button and see his live location with vehicle. He can also see his vehicle info and he can also update it. He can also see his earnings like today, weekly, monthly and everything. So this is a complete live tracking online payment gateway enable multi-language enable courier plus taxi in one application. This application is made on Flutter with PHP admin. If you are looking for the best iOS application for your business, this is the best step for you. For more, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen so we can help you the best. And here you can see the history and much more. Like this, you can see the history. And a driver can easily accept new booking whenever there is a new booking and he can complete the booking. For more, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen so our team can help you and make your own Courier plus Taxi app and launch it on Play Store and App Store. You will get the complete app with 1 year free technical support. For more, WhatsApp us so our team can help you. And for more, visit raunix.com. For more information, kindly watch all the videos and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you can like this video and subscribe to the channel, or you can also comment below. Thank you.